Lori Carpenter from Stadler and Company joining us today. Welcome this afternoon, Lori.
Good to be here.
Well, we have some information for people who may currently be collecting unemployment, or maybe they've collected it recently. If they have drawn that extra $600, is that taxable?
That extra $600 is taxable. So there could be a lot of extra income on that you may not have been expecting for this coming tax year.
And if you are bringing home more money right now than, let's say, that you were bringing home before you went on unemployment, that also can affect a person's refund.
It can, because that money is going to be taxable, but it is not earned income. So if you usually get the earned income credit, your earned income is going to be a little bit lower, but there is a real potential that your total income is going to be a little bit higher. So you may be paying more tax, and in effect, you could be getting a smaller credit than you are used to.
So is there anything that a person can do to make sure that they do get a refund from the taxes that they're paying this year?
They sure can. So if you have not had withholding on your unemployment, you can either ask to have some withholding started, or what I would highly recommend is that you maybe make an estimated payment, and you can go to irs.gov, click on the payment tab, and make a payment right there of maybe 10% of whatever your total was for that unemployment if you had no withholding. Now, Indiana will also have some tax liability related to that, but you want to just make sure that you're not going to end up in trouble at the end of the year.
Yeah, because it could potentially be not only are you not getting a refund, but it sounds like you could have to be paying in.
It is a possibility. So if you have more income and you're going to pay more tax, and then your credits are lower, so you're not going to have those offsets to lower that total tax, you effectively could end up owing instead of having a refund, and even a nice refund that you're used to.
Yeah, and do you think a lot of people don't realize that, oh, they're getting this unemployment, but it is taxable? Is that an issue, you think, that a lot of people don't get?
I think there are quite a few people who don't understand that. I know we've had people calling in saying, hey, they're withholding tax on my $600, and that's not taxable. And that's what preempted this conversation, is because I had a lot of people calling and asking about that, or they just were unsure as to whether or not it was taxable.
All right, so it's good for people to know that extra $600 is taxable, and you don't want to find yourself next year having to pay extra taxes if you've not taken precautions leading up to that. And there's some scams going on out there. Let's talk a little bit about that.
Sure. So the IRS typically will not call you. They don't email you. And if you get a letter from the IRS and you are not expecting one, at this point, I would always follow up, particularly if it is asking for your personal information. And there are a lot of scammers out there. They may call and say, hey, in order to get your stimulus payment, we need your social security number or your birth date or your banking information. All of those are personal information that if you give it out, they can take that and take money from you or collect refunds from you. It's just something that you don't want to give out that information without making sure that you're giving it to the right agency.
Yeah, even in these difficult times, there are those opportunists out there that will try to take your money.
Absolutely.
So if people want more information about Stadler and Company, what do they need to do?
They can check out our website at stadlertax.com or Facebook at Stadler and Company Tax and Accounting. We have a lot of great information on both of those sites.
All right, Lori, we look so forward to seeing you more this summer, giving us more great tax tips. Do stay well.
Thanks, you as well.